Welcome everyone, my name is Robert Demanco. You can find me on my link down below. Today I'm going to be doing a review of Stealth. Stealth is a YouTube training program that identifies you how to build amazing number of subscribers, also how to get amazing number of views on your page and comments. So the great training program. But before we go there, I wanted to just share with you a few things. If you watch the review to the end, I'm going to give you 3 amazing bonuses that complements this particular product. 2, I'm going to give you 5 bonuses if you buy through the link down below. Only through these things. These bonuses are unique to me, that I use to create my affiliate marketing campaigns and earning a good living out of affiliate marketing, and only working a portion what I used to do as a corporate manager. I used to get up at 6, leave by 7, get home it's between 6:30 and 7:30 at night, 5 days a week, even sometimes on weekends I was working. I don't do anything like that anymore. I spend a few hours each day doing affiliate marketing, and I love the lifestyle. My income's more than I was before. My family, I'm getting to know my kids a bit more. Just a great lifestyle. I know you probably looked at other reviews. I know you'll be coming back to me and getting these bonuses. They're just sensational. So you're going to be loving it. And remember, there's a 30-day money back guarantee on the product. I know you're not going to get money. You won't want money back. Only $12.95, really cheap. But you'll be able. There's some great tips here that they're worth itself in gold. Now, remember, you can click on the link down below. $12.95. That's all you need to spend, and you will get everything I mentioned previously. So let's go look at the bonuses. The first bonus, as an affiliate marketer, you're eventually going to build a list, and if you're not already have. But how do we get the most out of that list? How do we get the most money out of it? People join lists because they want information, they want data, and when they find, and if you send them information that is right, you'll make good income. Well, over about the last 3 or 4 years I've been doing this. I've actually been doing affiliate marketing about 10 years. The first 5 or 6 years have been just I missed out completely because I wasn't really sincere in doing this program. It is a business, guys. It's you can make it work, but you've got to be persistent and work over a number of months, and eventually build something you can eventually replace your income. But anyway, just on a side to that, the lists are worth gold. They're worth anywhere between $1 and $8 per person per month. Some people say per year. So you can make good income, but you need to know your customer base. So you need to be able to reach out to them and understand, and you can actually double, triple, quadruple, or symptomatic your income from each person by doing some tricks. In this training program, this is what I do to, I've actually more than quadrupled my income from the same list over the years, because I'm doing things a lot smarter, and I've learned what not to do as well. So you'll find lots of stuff in here. The second thing, how do you get a list? How do you get a list? So when I started, I was struggling, so much struggling, and I was getting 1 per week, 2 per week, and I thought I was busting my ass. But no. And eventually I worked it out, and now I'm getting hundreds a day. So loving it, and the hundreds a day turns into hundreds of dollars, and a few $100s a week extra from me each day. So wow, I'm going to show you how I do a hands-on guide how to boost your buyers list with my secret hack. So make sure the only way to get this is you buy through the link down below. I do a lot of Facebook and Instagram work, and I have a lot of private groups that I look after, from fitness to health to diets to hiking. What else have I got? I've got disaster management, the prepper group. So I've got I think about 7 Facebook private groups, totaling well over 100,000 members in total. And each group I look after separately, and I'm going to give you some how to do that in this training course. And those 100,000, it makes me a really good income from it, guys. It's with limited work. I've been outsourcing a lot of the stuff to help me do it now because I know the methodology. I know how to do it. And all the grunt work I export out to a Fiverr and a few other people have. I've got a couple of full-time people that are working for me now, just doing some of these Facebook groups. And people are loving it. You should see the comments, and people love it. Similar to Instagram, I have the same sort of things. This is a little bit targeted. Facebook and Instagram are a little bit different. So in here, I show you all about Instagram and how to make money from that. So you will love this. It complements the two together. So you'll find a lot of value. And my top secret, inner secrets of a successful product promotions. Well, I won't give away too much here, but you just got to buy the product from me and get through here, because you'll get so much out of this, guys. You will love it. So they're the 5 bonuses. Don't forget, keep watching. Keep watching, and you'll be getting a link to some amazing other bonuses to help you develop your affiliate marketing, helping your people. Now, let's go to the product. It's a website. It's a online product. It's fairly straightforward to use. It's you don't have to learn too much. It's only click and point and listen. But also make sure when you do this, have a pen and paper. Important, because you need to retain it. Now, get yourself a cup of coffee, glass of wine, sit down, quiet spot, and then listen to the videos. Take notes. The training I went through it all in the last 2 days, and some of the stuff is in here. I actually do it as well. So Sas has done a great job in presenting all this information, and he's probably beaten me to the punch, because there's some amazing stuff in here that I use that you will be finding fantastic. This is only for $12.95, guys, but please don't it's not a hugely expensive product, but it has a lot of impact. You're going to get so much impact for $12.95 you won't know. There's a training core. There's a welcome page. There's an overview. I'll try not to play these because they do automatically turn on sometimes. You only need to listen to it once. The mindset is about getting the right mindset about the whole thing. Then there's basic training, how to get free traffic, and this anyone around the world can actually do this. You don't necessarily have to speak English to do this type of marketing. There's people who've been doing this program from Asia to Africa to the Northern Baltic countries. Anyone can be able to do this. So anyone can become an affiliate marketer, and it's a $1 trillion industry. There's so much opportunity in here you'll be able to do. So, and it's not only for people selling paper copies, digital copies, but also selling real products, real tangible products that you can use these techniques to promote real products to your customers. And I won't go through, because if I start showing some of these training programs, you'll get to know exactly what it is and you won't purchase it. So I'm not going to show you completely, but you've got to take my word. I only review normally products that I think are worthwhile showing people. There's a few other opportunity, there's a few other bonuses, upgrades you like, but he'll explain that in his training program. So that's the product itself. I won't steal any more thunder, because once you get into it, you'll buy it. It's only $12.95, guys, and a 30-day money back guarantee. Make most of it, guys. Now, have you got your pen and paper handy? I hear yes. Okay. Now, well, on the screen now, there's a URL. And if you let you write it down. Now, when you go to this page, you have instantaneous access to 3 of those products on the screen. And I'm going to show them right to you right now. And so show you what you're going to be getting. Now, I'm going to be showing you what you're going to be getting. You're going to get 3,500 Facebook motivational products. So many. That's going to help you. You can use it on Instagram, Pinterest, lots of places where people like to get. You can help you engage with your customers. There's lots and lots in here, and to make your customers feel good. So they're really great. Memes are getting more and more popular. So be part of the leading edge. And also the other product I'm getting that you can use on either on Instagram, Pinterest, or Facebook are some more images. And I've classified it into a number of different areas for birthdays, diets, life, funny ones. Let me just show you, make a bit larger view so you can actually see them. There's so many things you can use them for to help your customers feel good about themselves. And you can do this 3 times a day, and you've got couple of years worth of memes that you can give to your clientele. Isn't that great, guys? Now, one other product I'm going to give you. I do a lot of work on ClickBank. I do a lot of promotions, a lot of reselling. There's literally thousands of digital products you can resell. I've given you my the way I do ClickBank marketing, a step-by-step guide, and you'll just love it, love it, because it's making me some really good coin. It will for you too as well. So they're the 3 products I'm going to be giving to you. So guys, I hope you like this review. Please subscribe to my station, my channel. Press a like, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks guys, bye.